Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. amiuniverse here, and for today's video I'm going to teach you how to create this look. So first we're going to start off by pushing back our cuticles, and we're going to push back our cuticles for all 5 fingers. For these nails I'm not going to be buffing the surface of the nail because I'm going to be using my Jello peel off base coat. I'm going to go in and put 2 coats of the peel off base coat because I'm going to be removing these nails, so it's not really necessary for me to go in and buff the surface of the nail. And now we're going to go ahead and cure the nails, and I'm going to size my nails, and these are full cover tips. These tips do run slightly larger than usual, so I'm going to start with a size 2 and go forward from there. And now that all my fingers have been sized, I'm going to be using the Mega Stick Base from Cocoas to glue my nails. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying a little bit to the base of the nail, and then I'm going to add a small dollop at the corner of the nail, and I'm going to do this for all 5 fingernails. And I'm going to apply the nail with a bit of pressure so that there are no air bubbles in the application. And if you do have a little bit of product that overflows on the sides, you can always file it off later, or you can wipe it off before you put your hand into the light. I'm going to be doing this for all 5 fingernails. And now I'm going to go ahead and start filing my tips. I'm going to blend the tips into my natural nail and make them slightly more straighter to get a better fit. And I'm also going to be going over the cuticle area as well. And here I'm just pulling out my backup drill. I'm going to be using 2 cuticle bits to go over the cuticle and continue to blend the nail into the natural nail. I'm also going to be removing any of the overflow from the Mega Stick base that is on the cuticle as well. And now I'm going to go in with the Mega Stick base again, this time what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating an apex. Now, Mega Stick base is usually used for short length nails. It's meant to build up the natural nail so that you have structured manicure, but in this case I can use it for the nail tip because the strength is actually coming from the tip itself and not necessarily from the Mega Stick base. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be building an apex on all of the nails to add in that extra strength. And now I'm going to go in with the black Savvyland gel polish, and I'm going to be applying 2 coats on each of the nail to get the most pigmented black. And if you notice, I actually skipped applying base gel. One of the reasons why I was able to skip applying base gel is that Mega Stick base acts as a base gel, so you don't have to apply base gel before you apply your color, which is an amazing benefit and one of the reasons why I love Cocoist. And this is what 2 coats of black is looking like. Now I'm going to go in with the E-Nail Couture Velvet Gel Top Coat. And this is a matte top coat. Usually when doing these types of chrome designs, people will use a buffer and they'll go in and buff the surface of the nail. I prefer to use a matte top coat. You get the same effect and it's much quicker. Now I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. And this is what it's looking like. Now the nails are completely matte. Now I'm going to grab a brush and I'm going to go in with white gel polish and start to create the design. I like to start from the top right and make my way down. And I like to do it kind of like in squiggly lines. It kind of resembles like a lightning bolt. You can also create a design with the idea of marble nails in mind and kind of marble the white down. And you're going to do that for all 5 fingernails, just adding in those lines, kind of like a marble or kind of like a lightning bolt. And that is how you're going to get that kind of molten look on the nail. Now I'm going to cure the nails for about 30 seconds. I'm not curing them for 60 seconds because I feel like 30 seconds is that perfect amount of cure time. It's going to allow the nails to stay extra tacky so that when I apply the chrome, the pigment sticks better. So now I'm going to go in with my chrome powder, and I like to remove the excess chrome with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. So I'm using 70% isopropyl alcohol to remove any excess chrome from the nails, and I'm going to go ahead and add the chrome into all 5 fingers. And now that the chrome has been applied to all 5 fingers, once again, I'm just going to go in with a nail wipe and remove the excess with 70% isopropyl alcohol. And this works for me. I know a lot of people like to brush off the excess chrome, but I'm pretty heavy-handed when applying the chrome to make sure that I can get the best mirror effect. So I have to wipe off the excess. And as you can see, it's only wiping off the excess on the black parts of the nail. It's not removing it from the actual design. And then once you're done wiping off the excess chrome, allow your nails a few seconds to air dry. You want the nails to dry completely before you apply your top coat because you want to prevent it from lifting, chipping, and bubbling. And now I'm going to go in with the Cocoa's top coat, and I'm going to be top coating all 5 of my fingernails. Now I'm going to go ahead and cure the nails for 60 seconds. And this is what they're looking like. I'm going to apply a little bit of cuticle oil to rehydrate my cuticles. And this is the final look, guys. What do you think? I think they came out absolutely beautiful. I think that it's a great design that you can do at home or in salon. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. What designs would you like to see me do? And if you like this video and watched till the end, definitely think about subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day. Bye!